Hello everyone, my name is Shaikh Irfan and in this video we are going to see infrared thermographs, and this is the 10th type of non-destructive test of concrete. So let's see what is infrared thermograph. See, infrared thermography is a non-destructive technique that has proven to be accurate and efficient in locating the voids, delamination and other defects in concrete structure. It is nothing but a type of non-destructive testing of concrete, and it is very efficient to determine what are the voids, whether there is void present in the concrete, whether the concrete is delaminated, or any other defects or flaws we can determine in the concrete structures. And it is based on the principle that heat flows more slowly through the voids or delamination than through the solid concrete. So it is based on the principle, and that principle is heat will flow slowly through the voids or delamination, that is, in the air heat will flow slowly through the voids than the solid concrete. Remember this principle. See, in every method we are transferring some form of energy, whether it is electromagnetic energy, whether it is S wave, or whether it is ultrasonic pulses, S wave, P waves. So we have seen that in previous videos. In our previous videos, in every topic or in every type of various types of non-destructive test, we are transferring some form of energy to determine whether there are any flaws or to find out the properties of concrete. So in this type we will be transferring the heat in infrared thermographs. So by measuring the surface temperature under the conditions of heat flow, the location of voids can be determined by this method or in this method. So this method is used mostly for detecting delaminations in bridge decks. Remember this. This method is most widely used for detecting the delaminations or voids in case of bridge decks. So it is based on the principle that heat will flow more slowly through the voids or delamination than the solid concrete. Then in infrared thermographs, the scanner system are transparent only to short or medium wave infrared radiation. In this, a infrared radiation will be there and it will be transparent only to short or medium wave, and they can detect temperature variation as small as 0.4 degree Fahrenheit. So it is very accurate one. We can determine or we can detect the temperature variation as small as 0.4 degree Fahrenheit, and this involves use of high resolution infrared thermographic scanners. As you can see in the picture here, we will be using high resolution infrared thermographic scanners, or we can say it is similar to video camera. The difference between surface temperature at various points can be determined or can be measured by using a sensitive infrared detection system, which is similar to video camera, as you can see in the picture. So the difference between the surface temperature at various points can be measured by using this sensitive infrared detection system. This is the infrared detection system or camera, video camera, which we use for the determination of heat into the concrete structures. And the resulting data which we get after this test can be displayed as pictures with the area of differing temperatures. Means at some places there will be some different temperature, at some places there will be some different temperature. So in the picture it is shown with differing temperatures, and they are designated by differing gray tones. Means at some places there will be light color, at some places there will be dark color. So it will be indicating how much is the difference of temperature at various places in the concrete surface. So this result can be displayed as a pictures, and there will be different areas which will be designated by different gray tones, whether it will be in black or it may be white image. So they will have different tones of colors. So this was the video about infrared thermographs, and this is the type of non-destructive test of concrete. Thank you.